perfect roasted potatoes every time. Master the art of crispy roasted potatoes with these professional techniques. First, preheat your oven. Meanwhile, slice the potatoes into evenly sized chunks to ensure uniform cooking. Larger pieces stay fluffy inside, while smaller ones crisp up completely. After cutting, rinse the potatoes briefly under cold water to remove excess starch. This prevents them from sticking together and helps achieve better crisping. Pat them completely dry with kitchen paper. This step is crucial for achieving that golden exterior. For extra crispness, let the potatoes sit for a few minutes to air dry completely. Toss generously with oil and season well. Then spread them out thoroughly on the tray to avoid steam buildup and soggy textures. Roast them in the oven on the middle rack till golden brown. Turn them halfway through, cooking to ensure even browning on all sides. Nail these tricks, and your potatoes will be the star of every meal.